So if you're looking for a security camera that pretty much offers both things, but it's technically not a security camera, but you want to have both things to trick people, then this is something that's very useful. And what this does is that it's a solar light pretty much, where you could treat it both as a solar light, so you could stick it on the ground, or if you want, you could stick it onto your wall mount, which it comes with some screws provided, and treat this as a pretty much like a security camera, but essentially it's not a security camera, but it is enough to trick other people around you. But yeah, this thing offers motion activated, solar powered, and also it's weather resistant, so that means that it withstands against the rain. And then over right here, you can see here it tells you all the stuff about the solar security camera and how it also detects motion over 20 feet away. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this and showing you guys what's in the package and whether or not this thing is worth it. And I'm super excited to unbox this, and pretty much we're gonna test this out and go outside and see how well this thing works. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so right from here, you can see I have everything unboxed, and you can see here this. So you could choose to put this on the ground if you would like, and it comes with it, but I think I'm going to put this on the ground because I prefer it that way. Now, you could also use it as a wall mount and treat it like just like a security camera, which essentially it is not a security camera, but it does look like it. You can see here it comes with the screws provided, so you can use that to pretty much mount it up. It does come with 3 screws right over here, so you just pretty much mount it and just drill it to your, so you know what you could do is that you could drill this to your fence, on your fence, you could do on your wall, on your outside of your home. And this is the solar panel it comes with on top here, where it absorbs all the sunlight, and then that's how it turns on. So no, batteries or anything like that, so all solar. And you can see here that it looks essentially just like a security camera, so you could pretty much trick other people. If you want to treat it as a security camera, if you would like, you could do it as that, that way, like that as well too. It comes, like I told you guys, 3 screws right there, so you could treat it like a security camera. But obviously I'm going to pretty much put it on the ground and treat it just like a solar light. But maybe in the future, if you would like, then it comes with the screws provided, you could treat this also like a security camera. So that's optional if you want to do that. But essentially it's not a security camera, but nonetheless it it looks very replicated, totally just like a security camera. But yeah, we're gonna go outside and pretty much install this, and then I may put a night clip to show you guys how bright it is at night, because that's something that's very important for the solar lights. So we're gonna go install this outside, and from there I'm going to pretty much show you guys the night vision effect of how bright this thing is. So you can see right over here, I'm outside in the backyard, and I do have it mounted towards pretty much where you can see there's enough sunlight to go to the solar panel, so that way the sun absorbs, and pretty much that's how it turns on. As you can see, it's solar, pretty much solar powered. And then now all you have to do now is pretty much just wait for about till night, and then it should turn on. Now underneath it, there is 2 options. So you can have it in a motion detected, like I mentioned, 20 feet away, so it has that option as well too underneath on the bottom of here. Or you could switch it to off if you would like. If you want to turn it off, you could keep it off, or you could leave it on, or you could leave it in the middle. So what the middle does is that it's going to automatically turn it on at night, and pretty much from there automatically turn off as well too when it's during the daytime. So yeah, I have it right now set at the middle, so pretty much it will automatically turn on as the sun absorbs, and pretty much when it becomes night it should turn on. So yeah, we're gonna go pretty much wait for the nighttime, how it looks like at night. So yeah, let's see how it turns out at night. So these are the final results, and it is quite dark and night, and you can see they automatically turned on because I have it set to the motion. And you can see they're very bright. Like, the videos doesn't do the justice. Like you can see here when I put my hand and I cover it up, it's still so much bright. I am super amazed and happy with this product. These solar lights, they exceeded my expectations, and not just that, but it also replicates and looks like a camera, which you could put it on a wall mount like I mentioned before. But you can see here I put my hand here, and this is how bright they are. They're super bright, and I love the white color it has. Is a very extremely white color. It looks absolutely amazing. And you can see here I have a switch right over here where you could pretty much set it to, if you want, you could turn it off, or you can have the motion mode that it's on, which I have it on already set. But I would definitely recommend these solar lights because they're absolutely amazing. They're super bright, and that's more what you could ask for. I would definitely recommend these solar lights if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one. Then these ones are by far one of the best ones, and I would definitely recommend these solar lights to everyone that wants to enhance their appearance of their yard or their front of their home. This is by far one of the best LED lights that you could get.